Good morning, y'all. Okay, I know it's been a while since I have gotten on here and talked about anything. Some of you may know what's going on and others may not. One day I'll touch more up on that subject, but for right now, I want to kind of show what I've received in the mail, which I thought was kind of weird because like I don't even know this company or how they even sent me stuff and got any of my information. But I want to review it / create a look with it, so yeah. Okay, so it came in here inside of a package, but it just says, where will you go next? And then you open the package, and then I'm going to try to show this without flipping everything upside down, but okay. And we have a bunch of stuff in here. I guess this is lavender that's in here. And then a card that has like little stuff. And then we have these, whoa, I don't drop it and break it. And then these eyeshadow and lip glosses. I thought they were lipsticks, but they're lip glosses. So we're gonna open the palette first. It is by Nomad, and I don't know how to pronounce that name, but and then here is the back of it, and then okay, here's a little bit better of how to pronounce all the name. I don't know what it says. It's from, like, the company is in Dallas, Texas, but I don't know how to pronounce that, so I don't know if that's like a French thing or what. But anyways, ta-da! It has a mirror in the palette, so I thought that was pretty cool. Like, it's actually a decent mirror and everything. And then here's all the, like, I think that color is so pretty, and like that color, but I think this is going to be such a really pretty palette and everything to play around with, and create, yeah, or at least me create daily looks with it, because I like the bold, wild colors anyways. So, and then we have the little lip glosses, and I was really hoping these were matte lipsticks, just because I play around with more matte lipsticks than lip glosses, but still I'm okay with it, because I mean lip glosses are still fun and everything too. So okay, so I don't know how to necessarily pronounce some of the names, so I'm just like showing you the bottom and everything of the name choices. But look at this, it's like so pretty and purple and boop. Like, that's so cool. I don't know if they'll be as pigmented as what's shown in the packaging, but, and then this one is that, and if I can open it, this is like a really pretty pink one, boop. And then this is this one. Again, I need to learn how to pronounce things a lot better, but, and this is a lighter pink color. And then, oh, this is, I guess this is rosé, probably about the only one I can somewhat pronounce, but this is so cool and different, and like, oh, even the purple one is different and everything, but I should do that to the other color that I forgot to do that to, but boop, okay. So all of these they're really pretty. I just don't know if they will be as pigmented as one might think they are. So we're gonna try and create a look, and yeah. Okay, I kind of want to go for like a yellowish purplish color, but we'll see what we create. So I'm gonna start by going in with this deeper yellow shade, and since we have a mirror, I can just use this. I hate whenever things have like imprints or whatever, because this has the B on it. I'm like, I don't want to ruin it, but alright, I'm going to start by tapping the color down first. I heard that you get more pigment when you tap a color down, so I kind of try to stay tapping colors down and then start going in and putting more color on top. So, and then going to do the same thing to the other side. Alright, gonna take the lighter yellow shade and then blend that out. Alright, gonna take the yellow shimmery color and then pat that on. Okay, so that's how pretty that is. That's really, really pretty. Okay, it's got some green flecks in it, but that's really, really, really pretty. I'm hoping that y'all can see that too. I guess I'm like going for like kind of like a halo type of eye. That's so pretty. I don't know how much you can see, but that's really, really, really pretty. Alright, so we're going to take the purple color and then put it underneath. And then I'll finish out the outer corner, like right here, with the deeper purple. Okay, so I finished off with wing eyeliner and mascara and everything. And then we're going to show the lip glosses. Okay, so I'm gonna put them on my lips and then wipe them off, put them on my lips and then wipe them off. Okay, so this one is the purple one first. Okay, it actually has shimmer there, okay. Looking in the mirror right this second to make sure I'm getting on my lips. Okay, that's pretty. They're not over like tacky or anything, so they're like smooth, soft, kind of buttery-ish, but this look and this look crazy. Okay, and in case you didn't think that there was any color, that is definitely there. So, and they feel moisturizing too, like even after you wipe it off. So here's the pink one. That one's a little bit more prettier with the look. And that one's definitely like more pigmented than the purple one. Here's this one. Ooh, that one's really pretty. It's like an iridescent color. Ooh, it's so shimmery. Okay, that one's really pretty. That's cool. Not as pigmented, but it leaves a lot of glitter flecks behind. And then here's the light pink color, or peachish color. That one like gives me Barbie vibes. I don't know why, but okay. I'm gonna do a trick that I was shown on Instagram by one of my friends. It's to do lip liner and then the lip gloss. So I'm just taking an LA color lip liner and then doing this. Okay, I may wind up going on top of this with a liquid lipstick afterwards, but I'm just gonna put on a, okay, this is with the lipstick or lip gloss on top of it, but I still may go with a liquid lip liner just so that way when I'm out and about my hair's not sticking and blowing. But yeah, this is the finished look and I think it came out really pretty and I absolutely love the eyeshadow palette. So I will have to show you all the colors swatch on my arm or whatever because my camera ran out of room for videoing and I'm having to use Instagram's camera purpose to video. But yeah, I'm in love and this is so pretty. Thank you again, Nomad, for sending it. I don't know how y'all got my stuff, but I am happy. So thank y'all.